Christmas food usually follows a script. There are dishes we expect to see and flavors we already know. But every table has room for one plate that feels slightly out of place. This is that plate. Thai green chicken curry is not festive in the traditional sense. It does not come with a nostalgia or childhood memory. What it brings instead is clarity of flavor. Green curry paste hits first. Sharp, herbal, unmistakable. Chicken takes its time with it. Coconut milk pulls everything together without dulling the heat. Lime leaves and basil do the quiet work of keeping it fresh. It is rich but not heavy, spicy but not aggressive. It is the kind of curry that feels indulgent but is surprisingly easy to put together. On a Christmas spread filled with roasts, fries and slow-cooked gravies, this dish stands out simply by being different.